using a clinometer in a real life situation. Yay!
So first, let us know what is clinometer. A clinometer or inclinometer is an instrument for measuring angles of slope, elevation, or depression of an object with respect to a gravity. It is also known as tilt meter, tilt indicator, slope alert, gradient meter, or gradiometer, or level gauge. Clinometers measure both inclines, positive slopes as seen by an observer looking upwards, and declines, which is the negative slopes as seen by an observer looking downward, using three different units of measures. These are degrees, percentage, and slope. So the next step, let us see how to make a clinometer. Number 1, you should provide your materials. So these are the things that we will be using in making a clinometer. Number 1, a protector. Number 2, a piece of a thin string, fishing wire, or strong thread, approximately 10 long. And number 3, one drinking straw. Next, weight that can be tied to the string. Next, transparent tape. Step 2. Attach the string to the protector. Slide approximately 1 inch the string through the hole at the center of the protector and use tape to secure it. Step 3. Attach the weight. Attach your weight to the other end of the string, for this weight will keep the string taut and enable you to read the angle while you are using the clinometer. The last step, attach the straw. Attach the straw along the straight edge of the protector using tape. You will look down through the straw to aim your clinometer at what you are measuring. Congratulations, you're done. You have now your clinometer. Now let us proceed to the next step. Example in using the clinometer. Ryan is trying to measure the height of the second floor of the CIT high school building. The first thing to do is find your spot. Next, measure your distance from your spot to the building. And next, use your clinometer and use your eyesight to point out the building. Observe where the weight is placed in your clinometer. Next thing to do is measure your distance from your feet to your eyesight. From our experiment, the weight is placed in 65 degrees. Now we will minus it by 90. So now that is 25 degrees. And the distance between his feet and the eyesight is 164. Now we will convert it into meters, so that will be 1.64. And his distance from the building to his spot is 9 meters. And now we have left what is the height of the building. Now we will be using our trigonometric functions. As we can see, the hypotenuse is given and the adjacent is given. Now we don't have the value of the opposite. Now let us use the TOA. The formula of the TOA is tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. That would be tan 25 degrees is equal to x over 9. And now let us cross multiply. So that would be x is equal to 9 tan 25 degrees. Using your calculator, 9 times 25 degrees is equal to 4.20. But that is not the end. So we will add 4.20 to the distance of your spot to your eyesight. So that will be 4.20 plus 1.64. And lastly, that will be 5.84. So the value of our x is equal to 5.84. Therefore, the height of the building is 5.84 meters.